Hello all, it's the 26th of October 2016, Dan here from Essex, United Kingdom. So here you go, I have the KM94RC Stihl multi-tool with the 12-inch lopper attachment. Just a little bit about this, I'll just show you what we've got. So you've got your pull cord here, got your manual choke here, got your priming bulb here, put your 2-stroke in here. As I said the other day, make sure it's correctly mixed. You've got your throttle here, you've got your stop button here, your handle here, and you can see just how much reach you've got. So I mean, I'm standing here, look, and I can reach all the way over here if I want. Now, I do recommend this tool. Now, this in itself, I believe, is around 400 to 450 pounds here in the UK. This is the professional model with the stronger engine, although I believe there is one with a weaker engine, but I like this one. And I think that this lopper attachment is around 140 pounds, but it certainly is a good piece of kit. And you can get imitation ones, you can get ones made by other companies and that sort of thing. I did have one, it was okay, but the actual unit, the button broke and that sort of thing. So this is why I like a Stihl, because it's a good quality bit of equipment and it can deal with sort of heavy duty stuff. So I'm just going to show you it in action, okay, just so you can see. Once again, as the other day, safety precautions, told you about this, eye protection and also mask here to stop the breathing in too many fumes. Okay, so I'm just going to start it now and I'll show you what this baby can do. This is a bit of sycamore, okay? So stand here so you can see where we're going. Okay. That's quite a thin bit of wood, that. No big deal. Get these thinner bits off first. And this one here, slightly thicker. I'm going to do it where you can see it. Okay, that's that one. More thinner branches. Okay, I'm going to go for this one. You can see just how good that goes through. Branches that are relatively thick. I don't know if you can see this one. Can you see this? Now that's quite a thick branch, so I'm just going to show you that one close. Went through that, no problem at all. Should we do a bit more? Okay, so recommendation, you want a good multi-tool, Stihl KM94RC. I do have some other attachments for it. I've got the strimmer attachment, the hedge trimmer attachment. There is a rotavator attachment that I've got as well, and there's all sorts of different attachments. Have a look on the Stihl website, but excuse me, Once again, when you do any work like this, make sure you're careful, adhere to all safety precautions, don't do anything you don't know what you're doing with, and above all, you know, work safe and get good equipment to do it with. Hope that helps. Stihl KM94RC, recommended by myself. All the best.